Aloha family and friends, welcome to another episode. Today we are going to do pumpkin snickerdoodles. So we'll get started here, okay? We're starting off with a half a cup of unsalted butter, which is just one stick of your unsalted butter. We're going to add we're adding a half a cup of just sugar, a third a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to put in, let me get me a spoon, a fourth a cup of pumpkin. Now, this is not the pumpkin pie, this is the pumpkin puree. And we're adding a 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla.
That's a lot of vanilla.
No, it's really not. Usually you do at least a teaspoon, but this only called for 3/4 of a teaspoon.
Yeah.
So we're going to do that. I'll get my egg. It calls for 1 egg yolk. Just mix this up really good.
This is a good cookie for the fall season.
Oh yeah, with this time of year, pumpkin snickerdoodle are very tasty. It's a soft cookie too. Yeah. Okay, we're going to set this aside now, and we're going to do our flour and dry ingredients. So we're starting off with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to do, hang on just a second, I lost my train of thought. 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Senior moments here, I'm sorry. I've got a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth a teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And that is our dry ingredients.
All right.
So we're going to take this and kind of gradually pour it into our wet ingredients. Do it about in 3 portions here, just to get it mixed up. Okay, I've got this all mixed in together. Takes just a little bit to get it all mixed up good and well. Now then, I'm going to take this dough, cookie dough, I'm going to put it in a bowl that we can cover, or you could just put saran wrap or something over the top if you wish, but I'm going to take it and put it in a bowl that has a good airtight lid. I'm going to set it in the refrigerator and let it get cool. It'll take about 45 minutes. Then we'll come back and roll it out into little balls and cook it. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, we've got our dough. It has been in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes. We're going to be taking it. I'm going to do about a tablespoon, a little over maybe a tablespoon of the dough, and then I'll roll it in my hands. And I'm doing a mix of 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And that's what we're going to roll it in. So get this stirred up real good here. Okay. Now I'm going to take about, about like that. Going to roll it into a ball. Roll it into the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Putting it on parchment paper. And that's how we're going to do it. You don't smash them or anything. You just leave them and they'll spread out. Okay, I went ahead and got it all rolled out. Everything's dipped into the cinnamon and sugar, and we're going to put it into the oven that's been preheated for at 350 for about 12 minutes. That mixture came out with about 20 cookies, so we'll be back and show you the finished product. Okay, here we have the finished product, our pumpkin snickerdoodles. They are tasty. They are usually soft. Good cookie for you to eat. Can't wait to have it with my cup of coffee after a while. Be good. Anyway, I hope you try it and like it. Here around us and throughout the United States, it's our time to vote. So I've already voted. So just reminding you, get out and vote. Remember, use Bible values is what we need to go by. Anyway, hope you try this snickerdoodle, pumpkin snickerdoodle cookies. Remember, God is good all the time.
All the time. God is good.
Thank you for watching.